guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Dorhair, and they have their website listed on the bottom of the box. It says www.dorhair.com. It's a simple box, simple packaging, you know, keep it simple and cute. As I open the box, I see the wig, and the only other thing in this box is the wig cap. So yeah, not a lot. Dorhair, what's up? But yeah, that's all we got in this package along with the wig. This is the wig that we're working with today, guys. It's a nice curly bob. It's been a minute since I've had a curly bob, so I am excited for this. It's a bit pre-plucked in the front, as I can see. You could go in and pluck it more though. Definitely could go in and pluck it some more, but it's not very dense, so it's very easy to work with in the hairline. This feels extremely soft. It's a 12-inch bob wig, and it's a natural color water wave with transparent lace. And I know for a lot of people, transparent lace is like their #1 pick because it's really easy to work with. It melts into the skin, the scalp really nicely. So yeah, the cap construction, this is how it looks. It has 4 combs in total, has adjustable straps in the back, and yeah, it's pretty standard and nice. It comes with a like deep parting, like 13x6. So it's perfect for that nice deep center part. As I say, I really love the way this looks. It's nice and soft. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing this.
Lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.
Guys, I'm definitely doing baby hairs. I'm definitely going to be doing the edges, like, so I'm just gonna finesse that right now.
Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
Guys, I am done with installing this hair. So yes, I did full on edges and stuff. So right now what I'm gonna do is pretty much get the hair wet. You can go ahead and wear it all poofed out if you want, but that's not really my style. So the part was kind of crooked that it came with, so I tried my best to straighten it as much as I could. So what I'm gonna do is just take my mousse and water to just get it really nice and damp and juicy. So let's go.
I can't give up this
in the short bob. This is when you really can't deal with the length, but you still want to be cute. You still want to be summer appropriate. You know, it's really nice if you're that curly girl, if you love the curly textures, if you love bobs, this is your wig. It's so soft. It's so easy to work with. Really, really easy to work with. It's very nice. I love it. So I would definitely recommend. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my description box, the direct link, where you can go ahead and purchase it if you're interested. And I'm going to put all the specifications down below. Shedding, very minimal. I did get a couple strands from it. I did straight out of the packaging. So just to let you know, in terms of the feel, is very soft, extremely soft. And it's easy to, it was easy to apply. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and don't forget to check out PETITE-SUE TV, my vlog channel. Yes, all the lit vlogs over there. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wig up on yourself. Bye.